Hello there. This video I'm going to be teaching you how to add a feed burner counter to your blog, which is an easy way for people to see that you are of some value because it's going to reveal to them the amount of subscribers people have to their blog. Okay, now don't get this mixed up with building your email list. Okay, and email marketing. That's not what this is about. This is about your RSS feed. And your RSS feed just simply stands for Real Simple Syndication. And we're going to sign right in. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Of course, I use PeopleString as my homepage, internet portal. It's the best by far. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to do a Google search through my PeopleString website, webpage, homepage. I'm going to go to Feedburner. Okay. And I'm going to sign in to my account. Okay, you see I have a couple blogs here. These blogs here are just old blogs that I don't really do much with anymore. I think I might even delete these. This is my main blog, davidsaundersblog.com. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to add your blog, okay? And what I have here is a dummy blog that I created just for demonstration purposes. And what you need to do is look for where it says RSS, okay? Sometimes there's going to be an emblem sort of like this, okay, because it allows you to subscribe to this page. But what you want to do is you want to get your RSS feed URL, okay, which is right here, and you're going to copy that, okay? Now you're going to go back once you sign in, and you are going to enter the blog feed address right there. Okay, you're going to click next, next, next. Okay. Yeah, you don't really need to see any click-throughs and all this stuff. Unless you're specifically targeting on some type of niche, okay, that you really need to know about. And what you need to do now is go to publicize. Alright, and once you come to publicize, it's going to give you the option to go to feed count. Okay, show off your feed circulation. Yes, that's what we want to do. We want to show off how many readers we have. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to activate. Now you can mess around with these. Okay, change colors. Alright, whatever you prefer, whatever color scheme you're using on your blog. Okay, you can use. I'm just going to go with that just to keep it for simple demonstration purposes. We're going to click activate. Okay, now you see there's no readers on this blog, which is fine. Okay, like I said, this blog is just for demonstration purposes. But what we need to do is we need to select this HTML code so that we can paste it to our site, and therefore it will show this feed burner box. We're going to copy. Then we're going to go back to our site. Okay, we had our feed. We are going to go back to widgets. Okay, we click the edit button here. Scroll down here to widgets. This is the back office of WordPress. Okay, and we need to find a text box here. We're just going to left click and drag it up here. Now, in this body right here, this box, we're going to paste that HTML code, and for the title we can tell people what to do. Let them know how to stay involved with this blog. So we can put stay up to date by subscribing, just for demonstration purposes. Now we're going to save this. Okay, we're going to go back to the blog, and we're going to see now that there's going to be a counter box there. Now, of course, there's no readers because this blog is just for dummy purposes. But now we have that feed box there. So when people do come to this, if this would happen to be a blog, like a blog that you work on, like mine, okay, davidsaundersblog.com, okay. Now, once you go here, Okay, you see my blog posts and things. Okay, now this one here, my blog, my personal branding blog, has 5 readers that read each blog post. And what they did was they subscribed to my RSS feed. Okay, so that now every time I add a new blog post to my personal branding blog, they get an email saying, here's a new blog post by David Saunders. This is an amazing, powerful tool to implement and use in your marketing arsenal. All right, I needed to get this video out to you. You know, if you're interested in learning things like this and more, simply put your name and email right here, and I will be glad to teach you. All right, it's a free from scratch training. All right, now this is the nuts and bolts. This is the step-by-step process that all these internet gurus are using to grow, whether you're in a business or to sell a product. All right, so go ahead and go right here. If you haven't already, put your first name and email address and join the other subscribers that are getting their free training by simply doing so. All right, but the next thing I want to talk about now is a subscription box. And what we need to do now is add email subscriptions so that people can easily opt in. Now all we need to do is click activate, and we will activate this. Okay. Now you even have the option here to send an email whenever people unsubscribe to your blog, which is okay too. I mean, if you want to know, then simply do that. Now there's so many different things that you can do with these. There's, you know, just come back here, mess around a little bit, okay, and you know, excuse me, you know, it's up to you. You know how you want to choose to do this. Okay, delivery options. You know, you can see, you know, what time of day they should get their emails. You know, between 11 and 1 a.m. Earlier in the morning, I think, is best. But that's for your personal preference, and that's for you to decide which you feel is best. All right. So now we have our Feedburner counter box. We can show people how many, you know, when people come to your site, we can show them how many people are actually reading your blog. Of course, there's 0 here, but there's 5 here. All right. Now, this also is a great way for you to stay motivated, to keep making blog posts, to keep providing value, to keep teaching people, to keep growing your autoresponder list here, right here, as well. Because you see, you got 5 people who's following your blog. 5 people are finding you valuable. 5 people are liking you. 5 people are getting to know you more and to follow you and to see that you absolutely have something to provide for them that's going to teach them, that's going to share with them some tips and tricks, some strategies, techniques. It's going to take them to the next level, regardless of what it is that they're after to accomplish and to obtain in this life. All right, so this, my friends, is something that you want to put on your blog. So every time you visit your blog, and I know you visit your own blog, but every time you do, as you see this number increase, it's going to be more motivating for you to keep providing value. All right, now I could go in a tantrum here about motivation and staying focused, purpose-driven, but I ain't going to do that because I already did that. All right, I already did here for you. I have training already that will simply add value to your life. And all you need to do is go back and read these posts, okay? You know, step by step, staying purpose driven, you know, tips and tricks, videos, okay? Prove your mission statement, your why. And these are all older blog posts, okay? Gravatar, adding a face to your thing. You know, when you leave a comment, add your face. You know, providing hope for people to encourage them and lift them up. All right, profiting from your mistakes. All these are previous blog entries that I did, and 5 readers have been reading them and getting value from them. All right, so that's motivating to me to keep going, to continue my personal development, to continue providing the value of things that I've learned and sharing with all of the followers who are following me. So to end this video, I want to say thanks for watching. I highly encourage you to rewatch this video if need be and add and implement what it is that you was just taught to your personal life, to your personal branding blog. Alright, if you haven't already got this free from scratch training, go here to my blog at davidsaundersblog.com. Go to the right, enter your first name, enter your email, click Teach Me David, and I will be glad to do that, my friends. Alright, and here's another way you can subscribe to my RSS feed is by staying up to date with my blog posts. And just enter your email. There should be an S right there. I know. I'm going to back and edit that. Just put your email address there, click subscribe, and you can stay up to date if you don't feel comfortable giving me your name and email. Okay, that way you can just simply stay up to date with my blog posts. Alright, so I want to end this video and wish you the best of luck. Have an amazing, prosperous day. Remember, yesterday was a canceled check. Okay, tomorrow's a promissory note. But today, my friends, is money in the bank. So go to the bank, get that money, make things happen in your life. Stay positive, stay motivated, stay up to beat, my friends. Take care, and I'm going to see you on the next video.